So in set theory, we have learned so many concepts. What is set, how to represent it, different types of sets, its operations, union, intersection, all these things. Now we are going to learn one more concept, that is complement of a set. Complement of a set. Suppose A is a set. There will be some elements in A. Complement of a set is represented by A dash. A over A dash. This means, you will have a universal set in which A is contained. Suppose U is a universal set and A is a set. So, A complement means it is set of elements, set X such that X belongs to U but X does not belong to A. What does this means? जो elements U में है लेकिन A में नहीं है, that makes A complement. For example, I'll give you a universal set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a universal set. A is given 2, 4, 6, 8. So what can be its complement? The elements which are there in U but not in A. They are 1, 3, 5 and 7. A and A complement मिला के you will get U. So U में है, A में नहीं है. That makes, so this is known as A complement. Set X such that X belongs to U but X does not belong to, X does not belong to A. X belongs to U but X does not belong to A. That makes A complement. That's known as complement of a set. So, based on this, you can easily do exercise 1.5. Few questions I will do and very few I will do because 11th standard students can easily do. In the previous exercise, viewing or understanding the third lecture, you can complete the previous exercise and you may clear your doubts. Now, come to exercise 1.5. Look at the main question number 1. U is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And A is given set 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is given set 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is given set 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, based on this, U is given, A given, B given, C given. You can find out many questions. What are they asking? Find, first is A complement. First question is A complement. What is A complement? Look at 1, 2, 3, 4 ko chhod ke baki, which is there in U but not in A. So what is A complement? It's nothing but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second question. Second question is B complement. What is B complement? Which is there in B but not in, which is there in U but not in B. So 2, 4, 6, 8 chhod ke 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is B complement. Then they are asking the third question, A union C whole complement. Third question is A union C the whole complement. A union C. A union C. What is A union C? A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Iska complement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is A union C. Uska complement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ka complement will come 7, 8, 9. So it will come 7, 8, 9. So this is A union C whole complement. Then the question is, fourth question is A union B whole complement. Fourth question is A union B whole complement. What is A union B? A union B whole complement. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Iska complement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 का complement will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So 5, 7, 9. So it will come 5, 7 and 9. Hope you understood. Very simple concept. Next is A complement, complement. Fifth is A complement, complement. A complement, complement. You have A complement here. Uska complement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ka complement kya hoga? 1, 2, 3, 4, which is nothing but A. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even write it as A. It's one of the property of complement. A complement, complement is A. Any set का complement वो ही set आपको मिल जाएगा. Sixth question देखो. B minus C the whole complement. B minus C the whole complement. We have already learned the difference of two sets. B minus C. B minus C. Which is there in B but not in C. Which are they? 2. 4 तो है उसमें 6 भी है 8. 2 8 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट. 2 8 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? Except 2 and 8 all the other numbers. 1 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. So this is the complement. You can even see in the textbook the some properties of complement. Complement laws. A union A complement is U. A intersection A complement is null set. Okay, then De Morgan's law is there that I will be explaining you. A complement is A. Null set complement is U and U complement is null set. Then we will come to De Morgan's law. After that we will be going to Venn diagrams. Purposely I have taken it last. Actually it's coming in between the diagrammatic representation. So we will do one of the properties of complements. So I think with this, the whole exercise can be completed by you. There is no need to do each and every sum. 1.5 ka main question number 2, you have to write the complements of the following sets. 3 you can do, 11 questions are there, 4, 5, 6 you can easily do and 7. So complete 1.5 exercise. First one I did, all 7 questions can be done. It's very simple. So you can just make a small properties of complement of set. First property is A complement, complement is A. Second property you can write A union A complement. You know A and A complement मिला के आपको मिल जाएगा universal set U, and A and A complement के लिए common elements नहीं होगा because which is not there in A makes A complement. So there is no common elements. So A intersection A complement will be nothing. So null set. Then we know its null set complement is U, and U complement is null set. Then comes under this there is a property which is De Morgan's law. Please write that. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law can be easily explained by Venn diagram. After teaching Venn diagram, I will be explaining De Morgan's law once more. Or based on figure, using Venn diagram, how can we explain it? The first law is A union B whole complement. If we take two sets union and take its complement, it will be same as A complement intersection B complement. Very important law it is. Second one is just like that. Intersection के लिए भी A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So this is De Morgan's law. This can be verified easily. So your exercise 1.5 ka fourth question, fifth question is about Venn diagram, fourth question is De Morgan's law. It can be verified very clearly. LHS ले लो, A union B, then it take its complement. Right side take A complement, B complement and take its intersection. You will get the same thing. It's very simple. That's why I'm just taking it fast. Now let's discuss about Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams is nothing but the diagrammatic representation of sets. So these properties has to be, this can be easily verified. If any question is given, they will give U, they'll give A, they'll give B. Verify De Morgan's law. So हम क्या करेंगे, पहले A union B find out करेंगे. Write A union B. Then take its complement, take it LHS. Right side में आओ, find A complement, B complement, take its intersection. You will get the same thing. So thus it is verified. It can be done. Any practical difficulty, you can verify it. Now, Venn diagrams. Venn diagram is a diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic representation of set. Set and set operation. Every operation, every theory of set can be represented by Venn diagram. इसमें universal set will be represented as a rectangular box. This is the universal set. And the sets will be represented as circles. Suppose this is A. This is B. Look at it. B. And the elements will be denoted as dots. Suppose a simple example I'll give you. U is equal to 1, 2 up to 10. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is 3, 5, 7, 8. Look at it. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 3, 5, 7, 8. You can see the common element is there 3 and 5. That should come in this common space. So this will be 3 and this will be 5. Now remaining elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 में 3 and 5 we represented here 1, 2, 4. So look at A, it contains all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come to B. B में 3 and 5 has come in the common place and remaining 7 and 8 will be depicted here 7 and 8. Now look at U. U में remaining till 10 है, till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7, 8 is depicted. 6 नहीं है, it can come outside. 9 is not there, it can come somewhere here. 10 is not there, it can come here. So it's very clear. U में 1 to 10, A में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 है, B में 3, 5, 7, 8 है. And the common elements, this area is A intersection B. This is A intersection B. A union B is this. A union B. A minus B is this side. A में है, B में नहीं है. A minus B. What is A minus B you see? A minus B is 1, 2, 4 and that you will get clearly here. What is B minus A? B minus A is 7 and 8. So all the operations can be represented by using Venn diagram. Another one I'll tell you. A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint. Disjoint matlab, you know, they are no common elements. No common elements है तो A and B are disjoint. How can be represented? A अलग होगा, B अलग होगा. तो इसमें very clear, no joining. So A and B are disjoint sets. Generally also it can be. Another one. Some examples are given in the textbook. Please go through the textbook. You read the textbook, whatever is explained. So it will be more clear. For example, A subset B subset C. How will you represent this? This is U. A B के अंदर है, B C के अंदर है. So सबसे outside it will be C. इसके अंदर B होगा and उसके अंदर A होगा. So look at it. A is a subset of B, B is a subset of C and all three are included in U. So all these things can be picturized using Venn diagram. Okay, and इसका the best usages to solve practical problems. Practical problems are there with use of set theory. That is the most important thing in this lesson. That can also be done. So hope you understood how diagrammatically set theory can be depicted. Intersection, union. all the things. So in one diagram I can make it little more clear about. Suppose this is A and this is B, A and B. This side is, this is A intersection B, and the complete one is A union B. This is A union B, and this part is A minus B, and this is B minus A, and you can see A minus B, this part, A, B minus A, this part, and A intersection. ये तीनों तीन मिलेगा तो you will get A union B. So it's nothing but A minus B and B minus A and A intersection B. So this is the Venn diagram use. So now all these concepts are being compiled, and we'll be doing some practical problems using union and intersection. With that, this lesson is done. All these concepts can be combined and you can understand. And the miscellaneous exercise, certain general questions are there that you may not attempt. Remaining things that we can discuss it once the class resumes. Now you can, whichever sums you are getting, you can try it in miscellaneous exercise. Last exercise things we'll do. Practical problems. You can write, the side heading is practical problems. To do this practical problems, we have to learn certain concepts. So I'll be writing some concepts. N, matlab number, NA, matlab number of elements in A. So first concept is, if A intersection B is null set, if there are no common elements, so number of A union B is nothing but number of A plus number of B. A में जितने elements है, B में जितने elements है, उसको add करोगे तो you will get A union B के elements if the sets are disjoint, if there is no common. Very simple, it can understand very clearly using Venn diagram. ये A है, ये B है, common element है ही नहीं, तो union में कितना होगा? जितने A में है, जितना B में है, just add it. That's the meaning of this. Second concept, if A intersection B is not null set, they are finite, there will be intersection है तो number of A union B is equal to, it's a very important formula which will be useful very much in practical problems. Number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Because in the figure also you can see very clearly, intersection B wala part is added twice in A and B. If it's like this, this is A, this is B, and this is U. So A union B milne ke liye A pura plus B pura, and this is repeated twice. So once we are subtracting it, minus N A intersection B. Then one more formula is there. The third one is, if there are three sets, if there are three sets, number of A union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NA intersection C plus NA intersection B intersection C. When there are three sets, this can be utilized. So using this practical problems के लिए useful formula है. Then all the examples given in the textbook 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, all these examples you have to do. So I'll be discussing few questions from exercise 1.6. Remaining you can do. Before trying the remaining sums, you must do exercise, example questions, and then try the one. So now we'll go to the last exercise of this lesson, that is exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6, 1.5, only one sum I did, completely I have given for you to try because it's quite simple, you can do it. 1.6 ka first question dekho. X and Y are two sets such that Nx is given, Ny is given, Nx union Y is given, find Nx intersection Y. Look at it. Nx is given 17. Ny is given 23. Nx union y is given 38. Nx intersection y is the question. Let's use the second formula, that is n of x union y is equal to nx plus ny. A and b ke jagah pe x and y, that's all. Nx intersection y. Now whatever numbers we know, we'll write it. 38 is equal to 17 plus 23 minus the question mark. So what will be nx intersection y? It's nothing but 17 plus 23 is 40 minus 38. It will be 2. So simple. Now, iska practical is coming. X and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements. So n x union y is 18. N x union y is 18. Second question. N x union y is 18. X union y has 18 elements. X has 8 elements. Nx is 8. Y has 15 elements. How many does x intersection y has? Matlab x intersection y में कितने elements है? Just like the previous one, formula लिखेंगे. X union y is equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y. Whatever given, we'll write 18, 8 plus 15 minus question mark. So nx intersection y is equal to 8 plus 15 is 23 minus 18. Answer is 5. Third question, see. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Hindi and English. Both Hindi and English is the intersection. So what is that 400? That is union. So H union E is given 400. H is given 250. E is given 200. What do you have to find out? H intersection E, which can be easily done by you. So third question you can try. Fourth question dekho. S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, S intersection T has 11 elements. How many elements does S union T has? The same thing. For fifth question also. Just formula apply karo, you will get thing. I think all the remaining questions you can try. The fifth question also. X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements. How many elements does Y have? Matlab NY you have to calculate. Sixth also. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea. Each person like at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? So 70 is, I can do that sixth question, and remaining sums you can try, and that's all this lesson. Sixth question I'll do. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee. So I'll give NC as 37. Then 52 like tea. So tea 52 like. And 70 people are there, either they drink coffee or tea. ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि which do not drink both. So it is a union. C union T is 70. What are they asking? How many of them drink both? Dono, that is common. That is, they are asking C intersection T, which can easily be done. Because you know NC union T is equal to NC plus NT minus NC intersection T. So we'll get 70 is equal to 37 plus 52 minus this. So and those who drink both coffee and tea will be 37 plus 52 will come 89 minus 70. It will be 19 who drink both. So you can, remaining questions you can try, that is 7 and 8. So I think exercise 1.6 you can try, and miscellaneous. Before trying these questions, please do examples so that it will be very easy, and miscellaneous examples and miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise ka some, for example, miscellaneous exercise ka some theoretical questions are there, you may find it difficult, but this practical questions, that is starting from 13 onwards, you can always try. 1 to 12 aap chhod do, or 13, 14, 15, 16 you can easily try. So miscellaneous exercise 13 to 16, and examples you can try. So thus we are completing the first lesson, that is set theory, which is very easy, but there are many concepts to go through. The words, new terms you have to learn, new symbols you have to learn. All the main points, make a note and complete exercise 1.1, say 1.6 plus miscellaneous. I said the last 4 questions. Miscellaneous exercise ka last 4 questions. Practical problems, only that you have to do. Remaining theoretical things will be explaining once the class resumes. 13, 14, 15, 16. Miscellaneous exercise 13, 14, 15, 16 and plus exercise 1.6. This can be done. Okay, thank you.